Hi, I'm James. I lead our support team here at Lawn Buddy, and I'm excited to show you today how you can estimate the area square footage or the linear footage for any project from the comfort of your own home. What we're going to do is come in here and just type in any address you'd like, anywhere in your area that you're trying to estimate. And you'll see this helpful map populates, giving you the ability to zoom in and out just about as much as you need to in order to get a really good look at the project that you're going to be doing. From there, you will be able to draw some shapes. You can draw around anything you'd like. You can make perfect circles if you're doing some things for mulch around trees, whatever it is you need to measure, it's there. And that item will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm gonna do a linear one as well. This can be used for fencing plans, rough fencing plans, or other things that you're trying to estimate from a linear standpoint. Once that's done, you can come over and name those anything you'd like. Once that's done, this project is automatically saved. Your surface groups are located in the upper left-hand side of the screen in the black and gray menu, and those are the shapes that you drew that are filled in. So that might be, this is the area that needs to be sprayed, whereas your line groups are maybe your estimated fence lines or the area that you're going to just trim around a customer's property. Our project estimation tool is most known for saving people a ton of costs by saving them on fuel while making sure that they're able to be profitable before they go out to a customer's property. We hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much.